Hi, this is Vizzy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to rename folder on MacBook. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! So it's possible that the first time you make a new folder, you have not chosen an appropriate name for it. Fortunately, macOS offers multiple options to rename items, whether you're cleaning up or organizing the desktop. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So in my previous video, I've shown you how to create a new folder. So in here, we'll try to create new folder on my desktop. For new folder, you'll get untilted folder name. If you want to rename it, you can just click right on the folder. There's an option to rename. You can select on that and you can just rename your folder like this. And if you want to rename folder on your Finder, you can just open your Finder, select on the folder that you want to rename. You can click right. There's an option to rename. You can just select on that and you can rename your folder like this for example. It's very simple, right? So that is how to rename folder on your MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!